Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face some of the most thrilling rides on the planet? Then come with us and face your thrill! Face Your Thrills, we're at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. And in this video, we're going to ride Tigris! Tigris is a steel launch coaster carrying riders to a height of 150 feet. With the top speed at 62 miles per hour and one inversion, riders who are 54 inches or higher can experience this thrill ride. Do you have what it takes to face this thrill? Then come with us! Before we hop on this amazing ride, make sure to subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this.
One small step for man, one giant leap for Apple.
Any 12-year-old can totally handle. Face your thrills.
Congratulations.
That was awesome. My favorite part was the hill and when you go down. I love Tigris. It's a really cool experience, and I love when you go back into the stanchion. Even my dad lost his phone, and I love the hill. It was a big hill, and you can see in the video. I was like, whoa! And he said you could totally handle it. Face your thrill. Tigris is pretty cool. You literally go up. And then when you go upside down, I feel like you're gonna fall out, but you don't. And then you go up and down back through the station and out. It's just a really fun ride. Any 12-year-old can totally handle it. Face your thrills. Make sure to read this sign because it happened to our dad. His phone fell right out. And my dad's phone fell on a net, but the room saved it.